Welcome to the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra Meditation 1. Shri Bhairav Ovach Urdhvay Prano Hayado Jivo Visargatma Parochire Utpatti Dveta Sthane Bharnad Bharita Sthitihi। अर्थात शिव शक्ति से कहते हैं, हे देवी, यह अनुभव दो श्वासों के बीच घटित हो सकता है। श्वास के भीतर आने के पश्चात और बाहर लौटने के ठीक पूर्व श्रेयस है, कल्याण है। It means the supreme energy goes upwards with exhalation and downwards with inhalation. By concentrating on the two places of its origin, one acquires the state of fulfillment. The breath has been known to be one of the easiest ways to concentrate the mind. So, welcome to this meditation where we will focus on the breath and the gap between the two breaths. Find a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Bring all your attention to your breath, feeling the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Let the movement of the breath or air be free flowing. Do not try to control it, but just observe. And now, focus on the gap between your in-breath and out-breath. It's a very small pause between the two breaths, but it's there. So once again, breathe in and then breathe out. And take note of that small pause before the next breath comes in. Concentrate on that gap and then go to the next breath coming in. Breathe out again and then concentrate on that gap between your out breath and in breath. While you do this, maintain continuous awareness of the full breathing cycle with a special focus on the gaps. Your mind may wander during the breath, but that wouldn't be for long. So just be there, focusing on the breath. And soon, all of your attention, your concentration and focus will be only on the incoming breath the outgoing breath, and most importantly, the gap between the next one. As you practice, your breath may become more subtle. You relax deeper and deeper, and the gaps may increase. At this point, your mind may calm down and you may feel a sense of peace and joy. Remember, the origin of the breath is pure energy connected to the divine. By focusing on this origin, we connect with something greater than ourselves, the mere physical existence. The supreme energy goes upwards with exhalation and downwards with inhalation. By concentrating on the two places of its origin, one acquires the state of fulfillment. So once again, with all your attention on your breath, feeling the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. With your complete focus on the gap between your in-breath and out-breath, you allow yourself to feel that eternal bliss. Continue to breathe, focus, and connect. And allow yourself to settle into this peaceful, blissful state. Continue to be in this state for as long as you desire. Slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath back into